So I'm back with another video, and as you can see from the title, I got my smaller pulley, 2.5 inch stock look pulley from VMP Performance. Here it is. Hold on, I'm driving, it's kind of hard, but here it is. And I have the 90mm idler that comes with it. Here's the 90mm idler from VMP Performance. Don't know if you can see that. I ordered this from lethalperformance.com, but it is from VMP Performance. Or it's VMP Performance's part, I should say. So it was raining. I'm actually gonna go down the street to the neighbor's house, and he's gonna help me install the smaller pulley. Like I said, he's literally right down the street. So yeah, here's the engine bay. It's really dirty. Probably get it detailed. He said one of his friends that he's cool with can probably hook me up at, I think it's Car Toys. But yeah, you can see my engine bay is pretty dirty. Smaller pulley removal tool. Okay, so first you have to remove the intercooler reservoir. I've already removed one.
So, have you done the research? Alright, Rashad, I need you. That bitch is off center again.
There it goes. Shit.
What keeps the thing
Open it up more.
on there? We got another.
Okay. So now that the belt's back on, we just gotta
Hook all these hoses back up.
yeah, hook the hose back up. Alright, let's hope it works. I think it's good.
Yeah, I'm just gonna work.
Alright. Okay, let's take this stuff off.
If anything, it might run weird for a second while the computer learns.
Alright, shit.
Yeah.
Where to start it? Okay, first start up.
Look
guys could see, I was having problems doing pulls. Something kept stopping the car. You can see in this part of the video, it is belt slip, so we will have to fix that in another video. Now, I did install the 90mm idler to prevent the belt slip, but I think it's just the tensioner wasn't put on correctly. Anyways, hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.